Recently, there's been a talk about, India is not competitive in manufacturing, just saying it's not so competitive in agriculture products and so on. But the sector that propelled the growth over the last couple of decades was the kind of high skill IT, software, business services, and so on, right? And so all around the world there's this fear that with artificial intelligence and machine learning so on, jobs will be displaced. What will people do? Like a lot of there'll be robotization in manufacturing sector, even in services. A lot of things that humans were doing would be displaced. But there has been some kind of optimism here that, well, we've had the software skills, and with our success in this sector, maybe India would initiate the fourth industrial revolution, etc. Right? Like that, we can write the algorithms that will rule the world. Right? Now, it's possible.
It's not possible.
It's not possible. Let's suppose it's possible. But one problem that
I'll tell you why. You can't do what you're saying with tiny firms. Who is the world leader in 5G telecom technology? Huawei. I mean, Huawei's scale is in the multi-billions of dollars. You can imagine their R&D budget. And 5G is not just for telecom. The implications of 5G go all the way from driverless cars to artificial intelligence, to the way you run your home through gadgets, to a whole range of things, because it is 10 times 4G. It is an order of magnitude difference. It is not a sort of incremental thing from 1 to 1.5 or 2. It is, I think the speeds of downloading are from 1 gigahertz, is it, to 10. So now, if you want to get into this game, you need huge capital. Government can't do it. We don't have the companies to do it. You don't have companies of scale. How are you even going to get into the game? You want to set up fabrication facilities for chip manufacture, again you need scale. Otherwise you can't compete with Taiwan. You need scale for solar panels. You don't have scale, you can't compete again with Taiwan and China. We have to recognize that we have corporate pygmies on a global level. All the giants of other countries are eating up every single market you have. It's the Samsungs, now the Oppos, and if we don't encourage scale at a corporate level, you cannot get into a modern game.
Okay, so the sector that propelled the growth over the last 2 decades, like you're saying, we really will not have a comparative advantage in it. We don't have any capacity to export manufacturing at this point. What do we do?
We'll still do 7% growth. We will. Because there's so many low-hanging fruits still lying around waiting to be picked. Our productivity levels are very low. You can improve them quite easily. If your class 5 kid can be taught to do class 5 maths, that is a quantum leap in productivity.
Back to basics.
Yeah. I don't think that all the stuff that we are pointing to, which is difficult to do but which needs to get done, can create a very pessimistic picture of where we are. But the truth is that we will still be the largest, fastest growing large economy, because there are so many things that are still possible to do, which we will do. It's not that nothing is happening, things are happening. But if you want to be at the frontiers of where the world is going, then you have to wait for a while.